Stephen Curry is finally back from injury against the Pistons, and he scored 27 points in this one. What a behind-the-back pass. Klay takes it to the glass. With Curry out of the lineup, we've seen the Warriors suffer some tough losses. They're definitely glad to get him back. And Curry's looking pretty good in his comeback in his return. He did have 7 turnovers, though. Blake Griffin and the Pistons, they don't care that Curry is back. They're playing great basketball. They're competing. Curry turns it over on the inbounds, and Andre Drummond throws it down. He had 16 points and 19 rebounds. The skip pass to Blake Griffin for the splash. The Pistons have a double-digit lead. Here's Curry knocking down a 3, nothing but net, and then running around the screen. They forget about him for a second. He knocks down another one, but the Warriors are still down. What a game that the Pistons are playing. Durant slashing, attacking. There's not a lot of time left in the fourth quarter. The Warriors are going to have to go on a run, but they keep turning it over, and Blake is going to finish again. He had 26 points. Now out of the post, he steps it back for 3. He's got it, and the Pistons take down the Warriors. I got a block and a steal in the same possession. That's a murder. I'm bullying Isaiah the way that I smacked that down. What maneuver could possibly be Smoove?